How to uninstall preview update KB5095093 in Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2. Hello friends, preview updates are not necessary to install if it creates problems for you. But if you have installed it and encounter any problem, you can uninstall it easily. Follow the steps to uninstall KB5095093. The first method is using Settings app. For this, click on Start, click on Settings, click on Windows Update, click on Update History. Over here, click on Uninstall Updates. In this page, you will find the list of installed Windows updates. Find KB5095093 in the list and click on the uninstall link for the update. Again, click on uninstall here. After clicking over here, your computer will restart a couple of times and the preview update will be uninstalled. If you cannot find the update in the settings app, then you can take help of command prompt. For this, click on search, type cmd, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator, go to the video description. In the video description, you will find this command. Copy the command, paste into the command prompt and press enter on the keyboard. Do you want to uninstall the following Windows software update? Update for Microsoft Windows KB5095093. Click on yes. As in the previous method, your computer will reboot a couple of times and the preview update will be removed from the computer. If you are still unable to uninstall the preview update, then perform system restore. Click on search, type restore, click on create a restore point under best match, click on system restore. On this page, select this option which says choose a different restore point and click on next. Over here, you will find a list of dates and times. Look for the date and time when the preview update wasn't installed, means earlier to the installation of the preview update. Suppose this is the date and time, then select it and click on next. Click on finish, click on yes. The system restoration will start. It will take some time, so wait patiently. After the restoration, the preview update will be removed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.